How many of you registered for so many beautiful things for your wedding, got them, you lucky dogs, and promptly left them in the boxes in the closet and don't use them? We all have been guilty of that. But at Gearys Beverly Hills, they have a saying, happily every day after. Use all of those beautiful items that you loved, that you wanted, that you put on your registry, and that you were lucky enough to actually receive. Like these beautiful dishes from Bernardo. A gorgeous caviar dish. How cute is that with the little fish on the top? I love it. This is one of the most fun things. It's a double carafe from Rogaska. You can actually fit 2 bottles of wine in here. Isn't that fabulous? Big parties, that's what I'm thinking. And they always have such a gorgeous assortment of antique silver pieces there. These beautiful shakers are just one idea. You received all those beautiful registry gifts, all of the pretty little items that you wanted. Use them happily every day after.